Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the full potential on Dress to Impress with these 10 game-changing codes. So in here, I'm going to start with the first code. You can just click on this icon and enter the codes. The first one is Alana Bow. As you guys can see, I've already redeemed that code. So let's just move to the second one in here, which is these, I don't know what you call tacky use. You can redeem and you get this cute handbag. Let's move to the third one. And the third one is this code called La Boots. Okay, after you enter the code, just tap on redeem again and you'll get this boots, this cool boots. And next one is this one, submissive. Okay, you can enter the code. So let's replace it with letter and tap on redeem and you'll get this necklace and this makeup look. Let's close this. So let's enter the new code. The next one is the I Bella Slay. Okay, this one and redeem and you'll get this cool hairstyle with this two-tone hairstyle. And let's move to the next one in here is the Ashley Bunny. Okay, when you enter the code, when you redeem it, you'll get this cute bunny sandals. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is a mermaid. So if you want to have a mermaid costume, you can use this. You can enter the code in here, mermaid. Sorry. Okay, click on redeem and you'll see you'll get this mermaid costume. Now let's move on to the next one is the It's Just Nicholas. Okay, tap on redeem and you'll get this cool red leather jacket. Now the next one is let's erase it and add this Elena tutu and you'll get this cute, I don't know if it's skirt or dress. And the last one is this one, the kitty okay, W and double H and you'll get this cute black cat. Okay, so that's the last one. And so that's the 10 codes on Dress to Impress that you need to know. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks and subscribe.